Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to show you how and when you are going to get your unemployment benefits reinstated of $300 boost. Yes, with this recent CARES Act bill, or you can say Stimulus Bill 2 of $900 billion, the government is actually allocated a $300 per week unemployment boost to the people who are getting the unemployment already, or for the people who are going to get it now. So please watch this video till the end, because I'm going to tell you each and every detail that you need to know in order to know and apply for this unemployment benefits, and of course the basic question that when are you going to get it. And remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $10,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So now, without wasting any time, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So now, the first and the most important question: how much will you get? Yes, in the recent stimulus bill, or you can say the recent stimulus bill number 2, they've allocated a bunch of money for the unemployment benefits, around $25 billion. So when you talk about it, you say that when it comes to unemployment benefits, you are going to get $300 a week. Yes, it's not $300 for the pay period, you can say for 15 days, it's for a week. So you are going to get $600 per payment. So what it is, you remember in the stimulus bill 1, we have actually, and the people were getting around $600 a week, and in total of $1,200 for per pay period, means for 2 weeks. But right here they have actually cut it into half, and now we are going to get $300 a week. Now it is definitely the half of the benefits as compared to CARES Act 1, and you need to apply on your state's workforce website. For example, if you're in Texas, you are going to go to twc.com or .gov. So of course you can go there and apply for your unemployment, or you can say your $300 boost benefits. Well, to be really honest, you don't need to do anything if you are already enrolled in unemployment program. So if you're already receiving unemployment program, then you are going to get it, and this $300 will be added to your money every week automatically. So you won't need to do anything in particular, so don't worry about it. But remember, if you are going to apply now, this is a really good time to do that. So do it as soon as possible, because the sooner you do it, the sooner you will get this $300 into your pocket. Now the most important question, that when will you start getting your unemployment boost of $300, right? And it's $300 per week. So beginning from 26 December 2020, so if you're going to file on January 4th, means you're going to get your money on January 4th, then definitely you are going to get your $300 boost per week. So they're actually starting from 26th of December. So take it like this, that for example, if your week starts from 25th or 26th, then of course from 26th till 3rd or 2nd of January, you're going to get your $300 boost added into it. So at first you will be getting $300 for 1 week, and then right after that for 2 weeks, of course, it's going to be $600 per payment. Keep that in mind. Of course, it's an 11 weeks unemployment boost program, so starting from 26th of December till the 11 weeks, you are going to get it. So of course you're going to get it till March, if you can see, because that's when the 11 weeks will finish. So keep that in mind. If you are going to apply for unemployment benefits, this is the right time for you, because you're going to get $600 extra money added to your per payment, of course, because we get the unemployment per 2 weeks, right? So this is an amazing opportunity. If you are eligible for it, then go for it. This is a massive opportunity. It's going to give you some financial freedom. And of course, if you're already enrolled in an employment program and you are already getting it, then don't worry about it. You will get this $300 per week boost, or you can say unemployment boost. First payment will be reflected on January 4th filing, as I already told you that, because on January 4th, first week will be completed from 26th of December, actually starting from 26th December till 3rd of January. Then on 4th, of course, if you're filing, then you're going to get your first $300 unemployment boost check. There are now 12 questions for taking unemployment. Yes, keep that in mind. A lot of people actually ask me that question on emails, on comments, and of course you message me as well that, hey, what's up with these 12 questions? Of course, at the end of the unemployment page, when you apply for it, there are 12 questions, or you can say 12 answers questionnaire. So they will give you actually 12 tabs to select from, so you need to select one. For example, the first one is something like that, I've been advised by the healthcare professional not to go outside because of this pandemic, and of course I've been exposed to a person who had this virus, and of course there are a lot of other things. So just pick one that is best for you, and that's how you are going to get your unemployment. Make sure you never ever lie on these applications, because these things are directly connected to your life and career as well. So please make sure never ever lie on your application. And remember that when you are going to apply for it, for your unemployment benefits, of course they are not going to ask you for any sort of papers yet, so don't worry about it. Yes, they might require your last year's tax return if you're going to apply for the first time or this year. Then you might have to actually submit it. But of course, I've heard a lot of people not submitting it because they never asked for it. And remember that you have your workforce website of your particular state. You can go there, apply there, and of course you can get it. If you're already getting your unemployment, don't worry about it. You're good to go. You will start seeing that $300 boost every week on your unemployment money. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $10,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon, so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow, and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. Make sure you check your schedule filing day, as everyone has different days. So this is the last one, and I wanted to tell you at the end of the video that the schedule days are different, so make sure you check yours. So now please subscribe and hit the bell icon if you would like to see more great videos like this. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.